Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. On the menu today, we have this delicious shrimp and peppers recipe. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Shell. Now let's get into this recipe. Here I have my shrimps that's already been peeled and deveined. Now I did leave the tail on and that's completely optional. Went ahead and seasoned my shrimp with about half a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning and also about a teaspoon of paprika. The paprika will give it a really nice color. I did start cutting my peppers. I'm using mixed peppers and I just went ahead and cut them into squares, and I'm going to do the same for my onion. Now once you've chopped your onion, just go ahead and separate the onions. It just makes it easier to separate them now than when they're in the pot. In this dish, I'm going for chunky, crunchy onions and peppers. You're also gonna need a little sauce, so you need dark soy sauce, light soy sauce. I did add a little sweet soy sauce. I crushed 1 clove of garlic. It was quite a big clove of garlic. I added some chili flakes, about 1.5 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, and also a little drizzle of honey. Now you also want to make a cornflour slurry. Now in a heated pan, I'm going to go ahead now and start sauteing my onions and peppers. Now saute the onions for about 30 seconds before adding the peppers. In total, I sauteed these for about 2 to 3 minutes. After this time, you want to go ahead and remove them and set them to the side whilst we now go and fry our shrimp. Now go in with a little bit more oil, and once this is hot, add your shrimp. I let these fry for about a minute each on each side because I don't want to thoroughly cook the shrimp at this moment because they're going to go into that sauce and just cook up a little bit later. So just about a minute on each side will do the trick. You really don't want to overcook your shrimp because they will be tough. Now you want to go ahead and add your sauce. Just let this just suck up that sauce for about, I would say about 30 seconds. Then you're going to add your cornflour slurry. Now I let this simmer for about a minute before adding back my onions and peppers. Once you've added your onions and peppers, just give this a good mix and just leave this for about another minute to 2 minutes to just let this simmer for the peppers and the onions just to get soaked up in that sauce, and your dish will be ready. Now it's time to dish out. Now you can serve this over some noodles, you can serve it over some nice steamed jasmine rice, but do you know what? Me, once I started to eat, boy, by the time I look around, it was pointless getting the rice. It never did make no sense for but I go for the rice because yeah, it was done. But when I tell you that this was a really quick and easy but delicious meal. Now make sure you scrape out all that sauce down. Don't get rid of it. And if you want this a little bit more saucy, just add a little bit more water to the sauce. But I just love it like this. It's just perfect, quick, easy, and just delicious. Be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this recipe. And if you go away and make this recipe, please come back and let us all know what you thought. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you already haven't done so. Please make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, go and big up on yourself all the time. Don't forget to hit that share button also and share this video because it really helps the channel. Guys, just one thing, do not overcook your shrimps. These were just so juicy, like you bite into them and you actually feel like you're biting something, like just so good. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up as well. Just press the thumbs up button. I really, really appreciate that. Now, you have to get the little first bite, and yeah, I go for the chopsticks, cause why not? Look here, girl, skill around here, don't play with me. Nice juicy shrimp. Look here, just open your mouth and enjoy the shrimp. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video again. Have a good evening, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.